Replacing windows is one of the most impactful upgrades a homeowner can make, especially in a place like Mandeville where humidity, rain, and temperature changes are part of everyday life. While window style is important, the material used for the window frame plays a major role in long-term performance, comfort, and maintenance. For Mandeville homeowners, choosing the right window materials ensures replacement windows stand up to the local climate while enhancing the home's appearance and functionality. Why window material matters in Mandeville. Mandeville's climate presents unique challenges for windows. High humidity, frequent rainfall, and warm temperatures can cause certain materials to warp, rot, or deteriorate over time. Selecting the right window material helps prevent moisture-related issues, supports energy efficiency, and reduces the need for ongoing maintenance, key considerations for homeowners in the area. Vinyl windows. A popular, low-maintenance choice, vinyl is one of the most common window materials used in replacement projects. It's naturally resistant to moisture and doesn't rot, peel, or corrode. For Mandeville homes, vinyl windows are a reliable choice because they perform well in humid conditions and require minimal upkeep. Their insulated frames also help maintain indoor comfort year-round. Fiberglass windows. Strength and stability. Fiberglass windows are known for their durability and structural strength. They resist expansion and contraction caused by temperature changes. In Mandeville, fiberglass windows maintain their shape and seal even in fluctuating weather, making them a dependable option for long-term performance. Aluminum windows. Sleek and durable with considerations. Aluminum windows offer a modern, slim profile and are resistant to rust. However, aluminum conducts heat more readily than other materials. In Mandeville homes, aluminum windows perform best when equipped with thermal breaks that reduce heat transfer and improve comfort. Wood windows. Classic appeal with maintenance needs. Wood windows offer natural beauty and traditional charm that many homeowners appreciate. In Mandeville's humid environment, wood windows require regular sealing or painting to protect against moisture. Homeowners who choose wood should be prepared for higher maintenance to preserve performance. Composite windows. Balanced performance and style. Composite windows combine materials such as wood fibers and polymers to deliver durability and insulation. For Mandeville homeowners, composite windows offer the look of wood with improved resistance to moisture and temperature changes. Energy efficiency considerations. Window materials affect insulation and energy performance. Some materials naturally resist heat transfer better than others. In Mandeville homes, selecting materials with strong insulating properties helps maintain indoor comfort and reduce strain on heating and cooling systems. Matching materials to home-style. Window materials should complement the home's architectural style. Modern homes may pair well with vinyl or aluminum, while traditional homes often suit wood or composite frames. For Mandeville residents, choosing materials that align with the home's design enhances curb appeal and value. Professional guidance makes a difference. Choosing window materials can feel overwhelming. Professional installers can help assess your home's needs, climate factors, and budget. In Mandeville, expert guidance ensures the selected window materials deliver lasting performance. A smart investment for Mandeville homes. Choosing the right window materials is essential for a successful replacement project. By considering durability, maintenance, energy performance, and design, Mandeville homeowners can select windows that enhance comfort and stand up to the local climate. With the right materials and professional installation, replacement windows become a long-term investment in quality and peace of mind.